Okay, rin banggal daw tayo amin Manan Kaaruba, and we're back with our final set, and you are still with your Manong June Zariales.
Ken kanakang nyo dyan, Mark Pastor.
Ito yung laing nga po, KPRP Pinoy Power Radio
6:50 AM, Honolulu,
Hawaii. Ayan, naka-Hawaii aktibado apo, and courtesy of Kabsat Kathy Cabal Salvador. At mo dyan ternom ng imdik mo, no apet mo nga insuot.
Ito jay balayo eh.
So nga rod kat. Okay, next time magpadatan tumanan tibadon. Nga rod, sabi ko maapot lagi pun tayo man dagiti na palabas ay adatan ti maudi syempre ganggan na at nga sunsunatan.
Yes.
Ket lagi pun tayo nga rod dagiti tao nga nagbali nga paset ti biag tayo. Babaen iti dayti nga sunata. Nagmaya ngamin apo nga dadyang ikidem mo ka sa tapos ket panunutom iti napaspasama kiti biag mo iti panawon nga dayti nga kanta ket uso.
Pimusay pa yan dyan nagkanta.
Na pimusay pa yan. Aha nga sumuti kay mo kantaan dagiti kansyon ti pimusay. Nga rod from the Jackson 5. Sound of the 70s Karuba with the Jackson 5 featuring Michael Jackson. And with that, we would like to thank our sponsors, Alex, a video service featuring Blu-ray technology. And for your reservations, please get in touch with Alex and Annie Buyudan at the phone number 808 284-1181.
Gado hindi Angel Lamog,
Uncle Bonnie and Euphemia Collado.
Uncle Phil and Auntie May Lastimosa,
Supermodel Janelle Megan Rosalind Anderson promoting Sportive International.
and of course Tito Mahal John and Anderson.
Yan. Ana, ulit man dito.
Tito Mahal John Anderson.
And of course, our very own Ma'am
Ate
Emmy.
Emmy.
Ma'am Emmy. Kay Kuya. Ma'am
Ma'am
Emmy Ortega Anderson. And may sabi apong sonata mo at isagot me as part of ganggan na at kadagiti na panan apo di New York dati nga sonata. Arthur's Team. Tolada man ti boses sa dati. Christopher Cross. Once in your life you'll find her, someone who turns your heart around. The next thing you know, you're closing down the town. Wake up and it's still with you, even though you left halfway across town. You wonder and do yourself, hey, what have I found? When you get caught pitching the moon in New York City, I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught pitching the moon in New York City, best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love. Arthur does as he pleases. All of his life he's master's toys, but deep in his heart he's just a boy, living his life one day at a time. He's showing himself a really good time. He's laughing about the way they want it to be. When you get caught between the moon and New York City, I know it's crazy, but it's true. If you get caught between the moon and New York City, best that you can do, the best that you can do is fall in love. Sound of the 80s ket itatamat ipangagmada kada kayo iti kabaruan wa nga sonata po nga sagot ni John Mark ket deti na po ti mauting nga sonata mi para iti deti nga episode mi and karuba adda kami tumanan next week kay madanagan kada ket na po mangtad iti request and dedication na just key in for the kaduo to karubayo dapo ti webpage ada fan page mi apo iti Facebook mabalin nyo apo kapatang dagiti kapatag nga admins mi dijay Ayan. Isudamat magitanong kata kami no kada kita nga request yung arod. Para iti mawadi nga sonata.
Saturday morning, jump out of bed, put on my best suit, got in my car, raced like a jet, all the way to you. Knocked on your door with a heart in my hand, to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. Say you'll never get your blessing till the day I die of love, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway.
Marry that girl.
Marry her anyway.
Marry that girl.
Yeah, no matter what you say,
Marry that girl.
we'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude?
I hate to do this, you live no choice. Can't live without her. Love me or hate me, we will be boys. It's tempting I think autumn,
Or we will run away to another galaxy. You know she's in love with it. She will go everywhere out. Tawatak mata imatabalas ang muwan kunam, kaya't kumaamuan. Kino naman siyak magunog at maustulak, nagalang swerten sa anti sumbat mo. Naglati sumbat mo, tao to'y katuntong mo. Nagkirsang ti sumbat mo, bayad ka kan mati pagkasarap.
ikasar mo,
Ikasar ko nga talaga,
ikasar mo,
wan sa kunto anakan.
ikasar mo.
Wan sa kunto anakan, apay nagalas iti kinatao. Wow, mali. Kinatao.
Kapapura ka nga na.
Tawagin ng taimatabalas ang muwan kunam, kaya't kumaamuan. Kino naman siyak magunod kat maustulak, nagalang swerten sa anti sumbat mo. Naglati sumbat mo, tao tayo katuntong mo. Nagkirsang ti sumbat mo, bayad ka kan mati pagkasarap.
Ikasar mo,
Ikasar ko nga talaga,
ikasar mo,
wan oran niya't ibagbagam.
ikasar mo.
Wan sa konto anakan, apay nagalas iti kinatao. Apay nagalas iti kinatao. Apay nagalas iti kinatao.
Ngaro dabo, di tayo nga nagpatenggay iti programa mi. Ket sabi ko mga puta, at nakain tumanen to the next week. The same time, same frequency, and same performers. Of course, ito lang po KPRP, Pinoy Power Radio, 6:50 AM,
Honolulu, Hawaii.
With yours truly, Manong Jun Seriales.
Ken ka na kanyo dyan, Mark Pastor.
Isungor nga kung punami. Thank you very much. Goodbye and
God bless everyone.